feel like I don't know how to start out a video anymore. Hey guys, if you are one of those people that actually cares about me, hi, I'm back. It's been about 5 or 6 months, I think it's been 5. I don't know. A lot's been going on, a lot happened, but I will not get into details about that because it's a lot. It's a long story. It's more of a story time video, but am I gonna make that video? Probably not. I don't know what to talk about. I feel like I used to be so awkward in videos and now I'm like really extremely awkward. Mainly because I don't feel like I know how to talk to a camera anymore. I don't know. But anyways, hi, I'm back and this is really weird and awkward. I have a Boxycharm Ipsy to unbag and unbox for you guys for the month of November. Hi, it is December 1st. I'm a little late. Have my Ipsy right here and my Boxycharm right here. And I am barefaced because I plan on doing a whole try on, hoping it works out. It's hot in here. Breathe. Okay, let's get straight into it. I think we're gonna first start out with Ipsy since it's the smallest one. So I literally do not know how to film. This month's bag looks like this. I'm not a huge fan of leopard print, so this bag to me is really ugly and I'll probably end up throwing it away. This was inside the other bag because it can't fit in the bag. This is the Confidence in a Cream moisturizer. I do have the full size of this and it is actually really good. Really expensive for the full size, but it works. So there's that. I'm not going to use it yet because I still have my full size that I need to finish. You get the little card for November and you now get the products inside when Ipsy used to not do that. And I don't know how long they've been doing this, but I'm sure it's been a while. I'm not going to go through that because it doesn't say the prices. I kind of wish it did, but it doesn't. The first thing in the actual bag is a SL Miss Glam face brush, which is super pretty. It kind of reminds me of a New Year's type of color. And I don't know how I feel about the brush itself. It's already shedding. That's cute. So there's that. I could always use more brushes. Brushes are like one of my favorite things to use, but the more and more brushes I get, the more I have to clean them and it takes me even longer to clean them, so I still love getting brushes though. The next thing in here is a face mask. Grace and Stella blackheads are no fun, but removing them can be. True. This is the face mask. I believe it actually comes out to be a black liquid shade, but I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it's definitely black. That's nasty. And the next thing in here is Pixie by Petra, an eyeshadow duo. I'm not a huge fan of Pixie, besides their actual facial mists, but I'm not a huge fan of their eyeshadows. This is completely wrapped. I'm just gonna save this because I don't feel like opening it. But those are the shades right there. If you can see them, there we go. And it's in Naturally Nude. These are the only things I don't really like receiving in an Ipsy bag. It's just pointless because I'd rather receive like an eyeshadow palette than a duo because most likely I will not be reaching for this anytime. Okay, the last thing is a GG lip balm. GG Gorgeous came out with a collab with Ipsy, I believe, and they did a bunch of I think blushes and highlights and bronzers and some lip colors. So this is in, doesn't say, I think. Natalia? Living Lip Balm Natalia. I don't know. It kind of has a little scent, but oh how cute. It says gorgeous. So it says gorgeous on the actual top right there. And then obviously it says GG right there. I mean, it's just like any other lip balm, I guess. That was Ipsy. I don't know if I'm tripping. I think Ipsy is charging more for their monthly bag. Like this one, the one that used to be $10 a month, and it charges you $1, but now they charge you 13 something. and I don't feel like it's getting any better, so I wanted to resubscribe because that's what I always do. I like to give Ipsy a chance every time, so we'll see what this month will bring us. I just realized something. I don't even have to speed through my videos anymore because I have a new phone and more space. Yes. Here is a Boxycharm for the month of November. It is still December. This is what the inside looks like. I already know what's in this box. I actually went through it with my best friend Dylan, and I FaceTimed him while doing it, and we figured out the prices and stuff and what his favorite things were. It was just fun. It was fun to do an unboxing with him. So as usual, you get a card, and this month's theme, Stellar. Is that the theme? Is this the card? Yes, this must be the card because we got some Becca samples, which I don't understand because I am light as hell and those are the shades they give me. Boxycharm Y. Bye. Okay, so you obviously get all the products in the back and the prices. Everything is always going to be full size, and you receive 4 to 5 I almost said albums. What? Items. And you always receive 4 to 5 items each month. I can't breathe today. Let's just get straight into this box. Boxycharm is $21 a month if you're curious. Totally worth it. So the first thing I see in here is this. These are the new Boxycharm brushes. If you got Boxy Luxe, I think you received a full set of them, but we get these ones. These are a little bit bizarre looking to me. My best friend and I made a sexual joke about it, but I'm not going to say it on camera because that would be very inappropriate. These are the brushes. This is supposed to be like a powder brush, which is, it's way too dense personally for me, and I don't understand how that could be a powder brush. This one I think was either a contour brush. So a large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, so you can use this for foundation or powder. I don't even know if I would use this for foundation because it's also not thick enough, but it's also too thick for powder, if that makes any sense. So maybe, I mean, I could contour with it, but I don't contour anymore. I haven't contoured in a long time, mainly because I already have kind of sucked in cheekbones and I don't need to. But this brush set retails for $35, which is kind of ridiculous for some brushes that I won't be using. I think I wasn't supposed to receive this because I resubscribed late, so they gave me a Becca highlighter, which this is my favorite highlighter by Becca, Champagne Pop, which I'm not complaining at all. I think I was supposed to get like a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, but again, I don't mind because I love this highlighter, and I was totally upset when I had to sell it, and now it is back in my hands and I'm super excited about it. But this is the shade Champagne Pop. It's really pretty. Just show you guys. That's the shade. Beautiful, beautiful. So that retails for $38, which the first one was already over the box, and now we're really over the box. Price itself. Okay, this next thing kind of was mind-blowing, especially because of the price. That's why I was kind of just like, this is the Capri, I don't know. You tell me. Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. I'm assuming it's just an oil. I don't use serums, so I don't know. But you guys, the price of this apparently is $90. I don't know. I don't know why this is $90. Does it fold my laundry? But $90 for a serum, that's kind of insane. I don't know if I would actually use it, but it says apply several drops of antioxidant dew to clean skin morning and night for results combined with a Capri Beauty Elixir. Don't have. So I sometimes have oily skin. I have combination skin, so I don't know how well this would actually work. I am curious, but I have to actually like open this, don't I? I'm not gonna open that right now. That is $90. If you guys don't believe me, I'll show you. So here's the Capri. And the price should be over here somewhere. If I can see it through here. Oh, there it is. Right here, $90. Ew. All right, next thing in here is by Dominique Cosmetics. If you don't know who Dominique is, she is a YouTuber and she has a few other palettes actually. And this is the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette and the shades are really pretty. I already swatched them and they swatch pretty nice. But I don't know what kind of look I would do with this. I guess I could figure it out. I've been getting into very adventurous looks lately, so I guess we'll figure that out. That one retails for $35. Okay, last two things in the box are just face masks from Tula. These are the Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Masks. I don't remember the last time I used a mask, but it's always nice to have these if my skin's not doing too well. That, I believe, retails for $22 for the set, so I'm assuming they're $11 each maybe. I'm just guessing. But yeah, okay. I was debating on doing a look today. Should I? I should. Oh my god, I'm so lazy. I'm gonna start out with this eyeshadow palette first. And I need an eyeshadow primer. I don't know how to do makeup. This is probably gonna be like the worst comeback video ever. Okay, I'm just gonna prime my lids with some concealer. I'm going to blend that out with a Morphe brush. Okay, eyes are primed. Now I'm just gonna get into this eyeshadow palette. Okay. I kind of went through this with my friend and knew what I was gonna do, and now I don't know. I'm not doing anything today, so I could go crazy or neutral either way. I'm gonna take a thin sort of brush and dip into Lunar Eclipse, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm basically just playing with this palette. I'm not necessarily making it perfect. I'm just wanting to see how everything blends, and that's actually a really nice shadow. I kind of wanted that crazy blue on my lid. I don't know if that's gonna be too much, but I really want to try it. Let's do it anyways. I'm gonna grab a small Luxie brush and dip into Mystic Ice, which is that blue shade. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just testing these shades out, seeing. Usually when I work with blues, it's very patchy. So I'm curious as to what it's gonna perform like. Because I always get like some splotch that's really bad. How to look like a hooker. Watch this tutorial. I mean, it's not splotchy, which is great. And I'm just gonna intensify that orange shade. This is gonna be a very bad look, but you know what? Don't care. I might end up putting like a shimmer shade on top of it, just because why not? But I think I'm gonna pop Eternal Light, which is this one, on top of that blue, just to see what it looks like. Just give it like a little like shimmer. I use my finger because that's the more payoff I'm going to get from the shade. Sorry, there were like some birds fighting outside my window. That was a little weird. That's what it's looking like so far. It's not super intense, especially on camera. I don't know. I'm gonna use that same brush that I used for my crease and dip into Storm Dust, which is that slightly darker, sort of like a brick red shade, and I'm gonna put that on my outer corners. as my shimmer is coming off. Great. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this. Should have totally went for a different look, but again, I'm so sick of doing the same thing over and over again, so I decided to try something different. Big mistake. I'm gonna take a different brush and dip into Lucid Dream, which is that pink, and I'm gonna put that right here. My eye looks already crazy, so why not get crazier? That is a mess. Not off to a great start, you guys. Cleaned that up a little bit. Now, I might just put on some eyeliner to make it look a little bit better. So I think that's going to get it. I think that's what I'm gonna do, is pop on some eyeliner. This is a lot of work. I was gonna do wing liner, but decided not to because it's a lot of effort. So I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my face, probably just speed up this process, and then put on the highlighter and call it a day. Should have tried to attempt to use these brushes, but forgot to, didn't think about it. I'm just gonna attempt to use this powder brush, and see how that works out. This is so unnatural to use. Like it just feels wrong. For blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use this ColourPop Beauty and the Beast Belle blush. I don't know what shade this is in. Enchanted Mirror, I'm assuming. Like, the eye look doesn't look bad with mascara and eyeliner, it's not my thing, but whatever. I'm gonna use the Champagne Pop Becca highlighter, grabbing my BH Cosmetics highlighting brush, and I'm gonna go in. Definitely really pretty. Forgot how much I loved this one. I'm just gonna grab my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk and pop that on. And that basically completes this video, this epic fail video. At least a comeback fail video. Hopefully not the rest of them will be like this. I need to start filming a lot more, but I've been pretty busy with life and I'm in a good place right now, just to let you guys know. There's nothing wrong, I'm feeling great, and I'm gonna get back into these makeup videos because I truly do enjoy them, besides the fact when a look pisses me off, but that won't always happen. I'm just having a bad makeup day. So that is basically it for this video. I will put down in the description how much everything was all together in the Boxycharm Ipsy. Doesn't really matter because they're all travel size, and yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment down below. Comment down anything. How you guys doing? I missed you guys and I missed making videos. And yeah, that's basically it. I love you guys so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!